Go.
Today we'll be talking about pipettes. So this is the pipette I'm going to use. If you have
How
any
does
at
this
home-
pipette work?
Well, this pipette can work. This little button can move these little numbers right here.
Yeah. Oh, okay. These are the numbers? And this is how you make it bigger?
Can you see it? Sorry, I
can.
don't know if my arm was
Yeah.
in the way or not.
No, we're good. So we're going to go up to what, 500?
Okay.
Oh, we went past 500.
Oops.
600? Oh, there's 550. All right, sounds good. Now lock it. Now lock it there on the
I'm
top.
going to lock it. So this is how you unlock it and lock it.
So how do you get the liquid with this thing?
Oh, you have to press down here. First, we need a
Press it.
tip.
Okay, you got to get a tip. So you push in there.
Just going to push it down.
Okay.
Oh,
Very
big one.
nice, very nice.
I can use this little tube that I'm taking home, which I think was in my last video. It was.
Yeah.
So,
Then you
stick this in here.
you press down the top. So
Press down in this part.
press the air out and go in. And you let it up.
Yep, so I've got
Oh,
some.
and then you picked up the liquid.
And then
okay.
I'm going to let you see whenever it drops out.
So you push the button down to get rid of the liquid.
And then press down, lift it, and then... Can I show you how to take it off? If you
Yeah.
don't want to take it off with your hands, which
Yeah.
you shouldn't do. You just got to press this white button. And
Oh, it just shoots right off of there, huh?
does it.
Cool.
And it flies. And then you always want to make sure you don't knock over your solution.
That's true.
one thing. So
Very good. Very thorough. Very nice. Thank you.